I'll read a story to you.
Hey everyone, what's up? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So, I'm a distant traveler, traveling from Jamaica to various parts of the world to hear new artists and what they are capable of when it comes on to singing. So, I've encountered this man. He's called James Blunt. And the song that I'll be reacting to is called Monsters. Right, so I'm pretty excited for this one. It's my first time hearing about James Blunt and also the song Monsters, right? So it's gonna be an adventure for me. Okay, so I'm excited. Without further ado, let's see what James Blunt have to say here in this song called Monsters. Peace.
Oh, before they turn off all the lights, I won't read you your wrongs or your rights. The time has gone. I'll tell you good night, close the door. Tell you I love you once more. The time has gone, so here it is. I'm not your son, you're not my father. We're just two grown men saying goodbye. No need to forgive, no need to forget. I know your mistakes and you know mine. And while you're sleeping, I'll try to make you proud.
Yeah. Why is this song so emotional?
Oh, Daddy, won't you just close your eyes? Don't be afraid. It's my time to chase the monsters away. Oh, well, I'll read a story to you.
Guys, my grandfather died 2019 and I never even get to say goodbye. Like, it was a tragic story. They found him dead at a side of a riverbank, right? So they went searching for him. No one could have found him, right? So the next day they went to the river. They actually found him dead. Like, he's not even here to see his great granddaughter, bro. Like, he was a best grandfather ever had, bro. So, guys, I mean, like, all the time that man went to bush, he always came back with something for us to eat. And he always make sure that we're here surviving. he was one of the best grandfathers I ever had, bro. Like, I don't know why this song is so sad, but the story is so matching.
Only difference is this one is true. The time has gone. I folded your clothes on the chair. I hope you sleep well, don't be scared. Time has gone, so here it is. I'm not your son, you're not my father. We're just two grown men saying goodbye. No need to forgive, no need to forget. I know your mistakes and you know mine. And while you're
Guys, and the thing is, when that man died, bro, I didn't even cry. Like, I missed him so much because my daughter is now so young. She's 5 months and he's not even here to see his granddaughter, bro. Like, it is so sad, bro. So sad. Very sad, bro.
sleeping, I'll try to make you proud. So, Daddy, won't you just close your eyes? Don't be afraid. It's my time to chase the monsters away. Sleep a lifetime, yes, and breathe the last word. You can feel my hand on your arm. I will be the last one, so I'll leave a light on. Let there be.
Why is this song so emotional? Like, why am I feeling so emotionally hurt? Why is this man's voice so powerful? Why is this song so sad? Like, I ain't gonna lie, bro. This monster inside of us, bro. It's getting emotional here. Like, I'm not here to just be as if I'm just this solid youth, bro. I'm very emotional. Like, things like this, songs like this, stories like this gets me emotional. Trust me. Trust me, bro. This is way too much for me to consume right now.
No darkness in your heart. But I'm not your son, you're not my father. We're just two grown men saying goodbye. No need to forgive, no need to forget. I know your mistakes and you know mine. And while you're sleeping, I'll try to make you proud. So, Daddy, won't you just close your eyes? Don't be afraid. It's my time to chase the monsters away.
Guys, I'm so sorry for being so emotional throughout this song. I mean, like, it's quite a sad song. It's quite an emotional song. Guys, I'm sorry, but Mr. Blunt, I'm not sure what you put into this music, but this music is so emotional. It makes me so a lot. I can't consume so much sadness, bro. Like, guys, I'll see you guys. Just subscribe if you guys like this reaction. Then now I see why so much people reacting, feeling so emotional because of the song. Thanks for watching, guys.